So everybody, namaskar. It's a warm welcome to everybody who has joined us today for Cooking with Company monthly meetup.
आज का हमारा है होलसम पनीर रैप्स। ये देखिए बिल्कुल अपना झटपट ये अपना तैयार हो गया, आप देख सकते हो।
So we have a lot of these thoughts of how blind people cook, and how do they have to be very careful when they're cutting. So I thought it'll be an interesting opportunity to get a friend of ours to actually just take us to her kitchen.
So I'm cutting the chili, which I'm cutting on my fingers only.
So I'm going to make a pasta cutlets with a cheese and spinach dip. This is my pasta cutlets with a cheesy spinach dip.
I wanted to thank you so much for teaching us